We're going to explain how to color rows in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether you want to color a single row, multiple specific rows, or alternate rows for better readability. Let's cover each method. 1. Coloring a single row. This is the simplest method. Select the entire row you want to color by clicking the row number on the left-hand side. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. You'll find a bucket icon labeled Fill Color in the font group. Click the arrow next to it to open the color palette. Choose your desired color and the entire row will be filled with that color. If you want a more customized color, select More Colors to open the color picker. Coloring multiple specific rows. If you need to color several non-consecutive rows, you'll need to select them individually. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click each row number you want to color. Once all the rows are selected, use the Fill Color option as described above to apply your chosen color. 3. Coloring alternate rows. Conditional formatting. This is useful for improving the readability of large data sets. Select the entire data range, including the headers. Go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula bar, type the following formula: XMAD row 2 0. This formula checks if the row number is even. If it's even, it will format the row. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and select your desired color. Click OK twice to apply the formatting. Now, all even rows will be colored. To color odd rows instead, change the formula to XMAD row 2 Using VBA for advanced users. For more complex scenarios or automating the process, you can use VBA, Visual Basic for applications. This involves writing a short macro. A simple example to color every other row starting with row 2 would be subcolor rows for I equals 2 to active sheet. Used range.rows, count step 2 rows at interior.color equal VBLO, next IN sub. You can access the VBA editor by pressing Alt plus F11. Paste this code into a module and run it. Remember to replace VBLO with the desired color code or a color name. This is a more advanced technique, suitable for those comfortable with VBA. Remember to save your Excel file as a macro-enabled workbook, .xlsm, to retain the VBA code. Remember to save your work after applying any of these methods. These methods provide flexibility in how you color rows in your Excel spreadsheets, allowing you to highlight important information and improve the overall presentation of your data.